Hello! This video is part of a series of 4 videos and is the answer to a request that I receive sometimes, especially from the Human Resources Department. In this first video, I demonstrate how to create several documents, like those on the right, from a Microsoft Word template like this on the left, mapping fields from an Excel file like this one. This way, instead of having to fill in the documents individually, you can do it automatically. In the second video, whose link you can get in the description below, I demonstrate how to split the various documents of the file on the right, the one we will see how to generate in this video, in individual files, one per each row of the Excel file. And with an extra, you will be able to save each file with a chosen name, for example, with the name of each employee. This way, you know to what employee each file belongs without opening it. In the third and fourth videos, whose link I also leave in the description below, you can see how to batch convert with PowerShell the various Word files to PDF format. The third video shows this using this script here, which uses Office, and the fourth video shows this using this script, which uses LibreOffice. And the result is this. So let's go to the first part. I will close the file we will be generating. Okay. So this is our template. We'll go to mailings, then select recipients and use an existing list. Microsoft Word shows us these options. We can ignore, okay, and navigate to the data source, the file that has our data. Okay, now we have here all the fields mapped. Okay, these fields are the same that we have in the headings from our Excel. Okay, what we are going to do is for each one of these fields, click Insert Merge Field and add a field. Okay, company, address, city, state, zip, phone, and email. Okay, and you do this for your fields. Okay, here in the name I will add the last name too. And now look at this trick that you have to do if you want to, when you have your one file with all your documents and you want to split into many files and you want to save it with the employee's name. Okay, you can do this. You can add here the first with a space and last name. Okay, select it, and here in home format it with heading 1. Okay, and as we don't want to see this data, okay, we just put font color to white. Okay, it looks almost the same, but this data is here with heading 1. Okay, this will be important in the second video. All right, but now getting back into what we were doing in the mailings, you can preview results. Okay, this is real data from your Excel. Okay, and now we go to finish and merge and edit individual documents. Okay, select all, and this new file, which you can save. Okay, this new file is, okay, the generated file with all your documents, one per each row of your Excel file. Okay, follow up to the second video where I will explain you how to save each one of these documents in individual files, okay, and with the employee's name. Okay, bye bye.